In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure total length of polylines in AutoCAD. This is a quick and reliable way to find the total distance along a polyline, whether it's a path, a boundary, or any shape made of connected segments. It's especially helpful when you need a precise number for estimating materials, checking perimeter lengths, or documenting your design. Start by selecting the polyline you want to measure. Click directly on the object in your drawing area. You'll know it's selected when it highlights and shows grips along the line. Make sure you have only the object you want selected. If other elements get picked up by mistake, press Escape and try again. Keep in mind, this method works on polylines, which are continuous objects made of connected segments. If your object is a series of separate lines, it won't display a single total length here, because AutoCAD treats those as individual pieces. With the polyline selected, type prop in the command line and press Enter. Prop is a shorthand for the properties palette. AutoCAD isn't case sensitive, so uppercase or lowercase both work. The properties window will open, either docked on the side or as a floating palette. If it was already open, it will simply update to show details about your selected object. As long as the polyline is still selected, the palette will show all of its editable properties and readouts. In the Properties window, look for the Geometry section. There, you'll see a field labeled Length. That value is the total length of your selected polyline. It adds up every straight segment and arc segment in the order they're connected, giving you a complete measurement. If your polyline is closed, that number represents the full perimeter. If it's open, it's the full run from one end to the other, including any curves. A couple of things to keep in mind as you read that number. The length is displayed in your drawing's current units and precision, so if your project is set to meters, feet, or millimeters, the value will follow that setup. Also, if you make edits to the polyline while it's selected, like dragging a grip or adjusting a vertex, the length value updates immediately in the Properties window, so you can refine until you get exactly what you need, and that's all there is to it. Select the polyline, type prop, press Enter, and read the length in the Properties window. It's fast, it's clear, and it keeps your workflow simple. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting.